Guys, I know that y'all have been hearing of situations whereas people are attending their adjustment to status interviews for their green cards and getting detained. Now, hear me out. This has been happening mostly to those with criminal records and more so with old orders of removal. Because of this, I've been cautioning my clients and preparing them a little bit more prior to going to their interviews. Some of the tips I'm telling them is to, number one, wear comfortable clothing and dress in layers, because the detention intake areas are often very cold and people could be held there for several hours. Tip number two to my clients is memorize your alien number and at least one important phone number, which should pretty much be your attorney's number because you would not have access to your phone. Thirdly, do not sign any documents without your attorney present or at least explaining to you what you're signing, because remember, you still have an open case with USCIS that a judge could ultimately make a decision on when you're placed before the courts. And finally, don't wear valuables like watches and jewelry to your interview, as there have been cases of items going missing. Now, guys, the goal is always for my clients to attend their interview and leave the same day, but we aren't going to be naive, and that's why preparation in today's climate is important. Now, for your information, this isn't happening at all USCIS field offices. We are seeing that detention at interviews is a little bit common in California, and there's some scattered cases out of Texas. Now, my personal opinion, which pretty much don't matter, is that USCIS should not be cooperating with ICE, which is an enforcement agency, because they are an adjudicating agency, whereas people are taking the necessary steps to legalize themselves. That is my opinion and my thought. What is yours?